Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Love. In this video, I am reviewing a company named Upermall. They sent me over a 12-inch bulb 4x4 closure. I'm going to show you just a quick way of installing it. Glueless. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Let's get into this video. In this clip, I'm showing you what the wig looks like. It's a 4x4 switch closure. I took out the clips because I just prefer that. Let's get into the actual tutorial. So in order for the wig to fit so it could be glueless, I tightened the straps in the back of the wig, and now I'm just going to style it. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't want to say. I won't be around while you chase. You want to hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You want to get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. So I'm adding some concealer to the hairline so it can be more realistic and blend in seamlessly with my makeup. So that's what you see in this clip. I also pulled out a few hairs so I can create some baby hairs. I'm still not the best at it, but I am still practicing so I can perfect it and it'll look so good eventually. So in this clip, I'm using my wax stick for the flyaways. Also, I sprayed some Got To Be Free spray on it, so when I use my hot comb, it can be nice and flat and sleek. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You want to get with me, stop. Yes, So I'm spraying some heat protectant spray, not for to protect it from heat, but just to add some shine to it. And plus, I just like the smell of it.
You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic.
So I'm using my flat irons to create those baby hairs, so I won't struggle. That way they're already formed and I can just sculpt them as such. So this is the finished look. I really enjoyed doing this because it was so quick and easy to install. Also, go check them out at their Amazon store. Their information will be in the description box. Also, they have a website as well at www.uppermall.com. Go over and see what they have. Check them out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. You